Hello everyone. We are replaced the upgraded rear tail lights for this Lancer today. This tail light is produced by Archaic. Next, let's install it and see the effect of the tail light. Here is the tools we need when installing. Socket wrench, a remover and a Phillips screwdriver. First, we are remove the tail light. Use a Phillips screwdriver. After remove the screws, push the light. After removing it, unplug the plug. Remove the other side in the same way. Next, we remove the cotton board on the tailgate. Remove it with remover. Then use a socket wrench to remove the screw. Unplug the cable plug. Then use the remover to pry it open on the other end of the light. After removing it, we install the upgraded taillights. First, connect the plugs of the cable together. Align the hole position and tap it to install it. Take out the adapter. There are 3 sets of the adapter. First, find the smallest one. Connect the smallest plug on the lamp. Then find the longest adapter. start laying out the wires. Take out the third wire and connect it to the connection plug of the left tail light. If the light doesn't work, check if the pins inside the small plug are bent. Next, let's check whether the light is normal or not.